From supplementary list, item number 1.
May I please, Your Lordship? Two matters, item number 2 and 3. These are matters recused by Justice Thank You, and so to the first time he's coming before my lord. The reason he's recusing is that one of the issue was already dealt by him as a lawyer earlier, my lord. Here, what happened is that this is a reservation policy, my lord. My lord knows 40% for Garos, 40% for Khasi Jaintia, and 15% for general, 5% for other backward classes. Here, the post was for the post of male jail warder, my lord. So I belong to a Boro community, which is also a scheduled tribe, my lord, of Meghalaya. Initially, I was selected. I was selected on merit, and I was given an appointment. I joined also. Some scheduled caste candidates, unsuccessful candidates, they challenged the appointment, and the appointment was stayed. Then finally, this was carried on to the division bench. And the division bench, because it's a larger issue involved, therefore Justice Thank You was appointed by the government as a special counsel, my lord. Now, in the division bench, my lord, the division bench has set aside the single judge stay order and the contentions, my lord. Once the single judge order has been set aside, I should have been reverted back to my original positions, but it did not happen. They redrew again the merit list. This time, what did they do is the scheduled caste, merit list of the scheduled caste and the scheduled tribe were clubbed together, and whoever got. So, in my humble submission, scheduled caste is a separate identity under the Constitution of India, and a scheduled tribe is another class in itself. So you cannot club these two different classes recognized separately under the Constitution. That is the main point, my lord, here. So anyway, my lord, since this is coming back to the first time, my lord, may it be taken up after a week, my lord.
Pleading is complete.
Pleading is complete, my lord. This is for hearing only, my lord.
I thought my friend will begin the argument about Lordship, or the maintainability may kindly be heard first, your Lordship.
Because
Lordship.
what has happened is the impugned orders, what my learned friend has challenged before this honorable court, are the offshoot of directions passed
By the division bench, your Lordship.
Now, that order has attained finality
And no challenge has
and
been.
has not been challenged. Now, he would have to cross the hurdle, my lord.
These are the same. This is, or rather, both of them are same parties in that case.
Yes.
Lordship, kindly come to page 83.
My lord, may I just clarify, my lord, why I am not impugning the division bench order? Because the division bench order is in my favor, my lord. So when an order is in my favor, why would I assail the judgment? Because no. Because
I don't understand what my friend is saying.
no. Because the court said redraw the merit list, my lord. Now we draw the merit list does not mean the court does not give you a permission to club two classes together, my lord. That is a mistake that they have committed, a mistake, my lord.
Subsequent to the order of the division bench.
Division bench, my lord. Yes, my lord. No, the division bench never said.
The division bench has taken note of the appointment of the private respondents as against the order requiring reconsideration of the selection.
Lordship, kindly come to page 83.
Mr. Since he has sought for time, we'll
Lordship,
Let's come next week, my lord. We'll certify.
Why next
Or
week? Yeah, after 2 weeks.
if there is a maintainability issue, then on what point they are going to, if they can get a small affidavit to do.
counter affidavit have been filed, isn't it?
Lordship,
Counter
yes.
affidavit is filed, my lord.
Pleadings are complete.
Take
Pleading
up
are completed.
the
My lord.
whole case on merit.
Yes.
Issue of maintainability will be taken up.
We kept up on your
my
Lordship.
lord.
Yes.
Decided first.
My
Will
lord.
be decided first.
Yes. No, we didn't. No.
Mr. Purin, the counsel for the petitioner, has sought for accommodation in this matter. Accordingly, as prayed for, this is matter up to 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Apply, your Lordship.
Daily list item number 1.
May it please your Lordship. Your Lordship, in this matter, the affidavit in opposition on the part of the respondent number 4 has been filed. I have received it yesterday. So, in this regard, your Lordship, I humbly pray for 3 weeks' time for me to file the rejoinder for the affidavit in opposition of respondent 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Mr. Legal Counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the counter affidavit filed by the respondents has been received just recently. It is prayed that some time may be allowed for the rejoinder to be filed. Pray allow. This is matter of 2 weeks.
Much obliged.
Item number 2.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes, sir.
Please, Your Lordship, I think
We've already issued notice upon all the respondents. State has been served as well as the pro forma respondents.
I'm appearing for respondent number 234, Your Lordship.
What about the pro forma?
We've already served them. I'm informed that this has already been served upon them, but my lords, we'll have to file an affidavit. Matter may come up on Monday or Tuesday because as per the Lordship's last order, Lordships wanted to consider the question of the interim prayer in the presence of all the parties. Even before the learned trial court, these other parties, the pro formas are not appearing, but I'll file an affidavit in the meantime. By tomorrow, I'll file the affidavit.
You've made them parties?
Yes, yes.
It's in
They've already
common
been
for you.
served, but there's a server issue, my lords, because we've not been able to file it. We'll file it by tomorrow, the affidavit of service. Matter may come up on Monday or Tuesday as per Lordship's convenience.
Right, Monday, Tuesday. Monday.
Sorry.
Monday.
I'm ready to argue.
Monday,
Monday, Lordship. Grateful, Lordship.
Mr. SN, this is a state petition.
Hello?
You're appearing as G.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. SN Leonard G has submitted that this upon the respondent's number.
Well, it's a pro forma
Pro forma
respondent.
respondent 556
5, 6, and 7.
5, 6, and 7 have been affected. However, it is prayed that some time may be allowed for the affidavit of service to be filed in this regard. As far as respondent 2, 3, and 4 respectively are concerned, Mr. Ndishulai Leonard AAG has submitted that we will give her name. Who? You? We'll do it this way. Ms. Arpuni G
Along with.
has submitted that the notice has been duly received and is now represented by the state, is now represented by her, led by Mr. Ndishulai Leonard AG. Okay, what else?
Lordship, just one thing. The caveat was filed. I have only signed the wakalatama.
Who are you?
Respondent number 1. I have already signed the wakalatama. So
My
Mr. Day
co-counsel.
is also there. So Allah, this at least it comes on record that we filed the wakalatama. The wakalatama
You are
is
both
not there.
the same.
We're both for respondent number 1.
Since you filed your Vakalama, then it'll appear.
He has not signed in that caveat wakalatama.
Who?
But he is the counsel in the lower court.
Doesn't matter.
That's-
We'll file it during the course of the day, Your
It was,
Lordship.
the caveat was discharged in any case.
Yes.
Once parties have appeared, what is there?
Yes, Lordship.
Grateful.
Caveat is only for the party not to be taken by surprise.
Exactly.
Highly obliged, my lord.
Grateful, Lordship.
As prayed for, this is matter on Monday.